Hello, we're just doing our first solar panel addition to the system here with advanced plumbing and heating, so special heating. I've added an extra collector on here because the customer was complaining that this one wasn't giving them enough hot water, so we're doing this. Solar energy is one of the renewable sources that actually give free hot water during the summer. It's pretty good because obviously in today's environment, gas price going up, you know, all the rest of it, you're better with this. Brilliant idea. And there is now a new VAT scheme that you can get 5% on this. You need to apply for it, but it's a good thing. Solar panel really is the future, so it's something you want to probably get into. But do check our website, it's advancedheatinglondon.co.uk. It's advancedheatinglondon.co.uk. Alright, we're basically going to attach 400 tonnes of these. It goes down to a hot water tank, and the Guarico is the name of the fluid that it's like refrigerant, it's heat sensitive fluid, and the transfer comes from here using these special types of vacuum tubes. It goes down to the cylinder, heats it up, and then you've got hot water. You know, it doesn't cost you anything to have any electricity. There's now solar panels you can get that actually power the pump, so it's not even going to cost you anything to power the pump. Okay, so check our website anyway for more information. Thanks all for the video.